Hello and welcome to the channel K-Drama Buff, the ultimate destination for K-Drama world. Whether you are a long-time fan or just dipping your toes into the world of K-Dramas, this is the place where we dive deep into the stories, the characters, and everything in between. If you are someone who thrives on rich CEOs, fancy love stories, and the usual tropes of what we have come to expect in K-dramas, then I'm about to introduce you to a gem that breaks every single norm. Today, we are diving into a drama that will make you laugh, cry, and truly reflect on the realities of life. It's called When Life Gives You Tangerine. Now, have you ever wondered if it's possible to have a K-drama without a wealthy CEO and a fairy tale romance, yet still grab their audience's heart? Well, this drama is a living proof that you can have a soul-stirring, deeply moving story even without those typical K-drama elements. And trust me, you won't want to miss it. Released on Netflix in 2025, When Life Gives You Tangerine is a masterpiece with a star-studded cast featuring Park Bo-gum and Lee Ji-yoon, Park Hye-jun and Moon Se-ri, bringing characters of Ae-sun and Kwon-shik to life in the most beautiful and heart-wrenching way possible. Let me tell you, if anyone asked me which K-drama would define 2025, I'd had to say this one. Why? Because it's not just a drama, it's an experience, a journey of love, loss, and everyday battles that real people face. I was left in tears after every single episode. This drama is undeniably a heartwarming tale, but it's also brutally real. It doesn't promise an easy, happy ever after. In fact, it challenges the very idea of happiness in the way we typically see in dramas. Their life reminded me of a story called Dukkha Adhikar by Yashpal. The idea that people who struggle every day just to survive, who worry about where their next meal is coming from, don't have the luxury of grieving. Ae-sun is the eldest daughter in a poor family, and the weight of responsibility falls heavily on her shoulder. It's heartbreaking, yet it's a reality that many people face. And that's where Kwon-shik comes in. From the very beginning, Kwon-shik isn't just a love interest, he's a pillar of support for Ae-sun. Together, they navigate a harsh world with no promise of anything easy, but only the hope that maybe, just maybe, they can make it through the storm together. Rather than being a simple K-drama, I would call this show the life story of two people, two very ordinary people who love each other, fight for each other, and hold each other's hand through every single obstacle life throws at them. It's raw, it's real, and in its simplicity, it hits hard. And just when you think the emotional roller coaster is over, the drama takes you on another heartfelt journey, this time through the life of Kwon-shik's daughter. Raised by a father who set an unshakable standard of love and respect, her romantic journey reflects the core message of the show. At one point, she is in a relationship with a man who can give her everything: wealth, comfort, and security. But when it comes to standing up for her against his mother's disapproval, he falls short. And this is where the drama highlights something so simple yet so profound. What women truly want in relationship is respect. Later, she finds a man who may not have the same material wealth but stands firmly by her side through thick and thin, mirroring the love and dedication her father showed. This storyline beautifully emphasizes that true love isn't about grand gestures or material luxuries. It's about being seen, heard, and respected. Of course, no drama can truly shine without an incredible cast, and this drama delivers performances that will leave you speechless. Let's start with Park Bo-gum. Known for his versatility and emotional depth, he completely disappears into the role of Kwon-shik. His portrayal of a hard-working, devoted man who shoulders the burden of life with quiet strength is nothing short of breathtaking. Every expression, every tear, and every smile feel raw and genuine. You'll find yourself rooting for him in every scene. And if there is a visual representation of Boba eyes, it has to be his. You feel his vulnerability and the constant need for being the strong pillar for the household. And then there is Lee Ji-yoon, or as many of us know her, IU. She has always been a powerhouse performer, but as Aesun and Gyeongmyeong, she brings a new level of emotional vulnerability to the screen. Her performance is so nuanced that you feel her pain, her fleeting moments of joy, and her silent struggle as if they were your own. Each actor brings authenticity to their role, making you forget you're watching a drama and instead feel like you're witnessing a real life unfold in front of your eyes. It's this level of acting that elevates when life gives you tangerine from being just another K drama to a masterpiece of storytelling. So, if you are looking for a drama that captures the essence of true love, resilience, and the beauty of everyday life, When Life Gives You Tangerine is a must watch. And guess what? I'm giving it a solid 10 out of 10 because this drama doesn't just tell a story, it makes you feel every bit of it. So, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Did this drama leave you sobbing too? Or maybe you have found your own life lessons in it. I'd love to hear your take. Until next time, keep watching, keep living, and keep being a K drama buff.